And then Griffin.
My digital collage work. I invite you to enjoy it. And in case you are the contemplative type, I also challenge you to think and identify with it in your way, because in my making it, I actually do have usually an intricate thought process towards what I'm doing. It's not a sprinkling of things, so it's usually meticulous and really intended. I have so much fun while doing it, and I also hope you have much fun encountering it and identifying with it in your way, whether it's the light-hearted one or the deep, analytical, philosophical way of looking at things. During this little kind of tour, I will not have to really hustle with talking about concepts or anything. I'm really just giving you this deeper look into what I do with it, how it.
So a favorite artist, it's we anonymous talking to you, unanimous. Okay, we can keep going. Even if it's the planet of the apes, then we are the fun apes.
Yeah.
I'm the one, and then just like